Hey there, marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of AI tools for marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way businesses approach marketing campaigns, and in this video, we will explore how you can leverage AI tools to revolutionize your own campaigns. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI in your marketing strategies, let's get started. AI has become a game changer in marketing, providing businesses with powerful tools and capabilities to enhance their campaigns. These AI tools can help you gather insights, automate processes, and make data-driven decisions, leading to more effective and efficient marketing strategies. Let's begin by exploring some of the top AI tools for marketing and how they can revolutionize your campaigns. Predictive analytics is an AI tool that uses historical data and machine learning algorithms to forecast future outcomes. By analyzing patterns and trends, predictive analytics helps marketers make informed decisions, optimize campaigns, and anticipate customer behavior. With predictive analytics, you can identify potential opportunities, allocate resources effectively, and deliver targeted messages to your audience, ultimately driving better results. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an AI tool that enables machines to understand and analyze human language. It empowers marketers to gain insights from large amounts of text data, such as customer feedback, social media conversations, and reviews. NLP helps you understand customer sentiment, identify emerging trends, and uncover valuable insights that can inform your marketing strategies and content creation. Chatbots powered by AI are revolutionizing customer interactions and support. These virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries, provide instant responses, and offer personalized recommendations, all without human intervention. By integrating chatbots into your marketing campaigns, you can enhance customer experiences, provide round-the-clock support, and even automate lead generation and nurturing processes. Image and video recognition is an AI tool that enables machines to understand and analyze visual content. It helps marketers extract insights from images and videos, such as identifying products, recognizing faces, and detecting emotions. With image and video recognition, you can create personalized visual experiences, optimize visual content, and understand how customers engage with your visual assets. In conclusion, AI tools are revolutionizing marketing campaigns, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions, automate processes, and deliver personalized experiences. Predictive analytics, NLP, chatbots, and image and video recognition are just a few examples of the incredible AI tools available to marketers. By embracing these tools and integrating them into your strategies, you can gain a competitive edge, enhance customer experiences, and achieve remarkable results. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found valuable insights into the AI tools for marketing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on the latest trends and strategies in marketing. Thank you for watching, and remember, with AI tools, you have the power to revolutionize your marketing campaigns.